Hello, hello! Welcome back to another Crafts Basic, where I show you how to make basic things. Today we're just going to show you how to very quickly make these tassels. You will need a piece of string. This is the bit that you're going to hang from. I usually try and make this, well, you could use the wool, but I like it to be something stronger because wool can rip. So if you're hanging it from something, that could come off. And then, you put it across your fingers, and then you just start wrapping the wool around. Now, your tassel will be determined by how big your hand is. So if your hands are smaller, your tassel will be smaller. And obviously also by how thickly you wrap it. So you can have a slightly sort of chunkier tassel or a slightly thinner tassel. It's totally up to you, and it's all about the finished look. Now, if you want your tassel to be bigger and your hands are small, just use a piece of cardboard. So cut it maybe this wide, the cardboard, for a nice long tassel. So you can do that as well, but I do like the finger method. So I now have my string all wrapped around my fingers. I'm just trying to get this out and pop that last one through. Get it off your fingers. Give it a little knot. Tie it really tight. And then give it a little trim at the bottom. So you find the ends, make sure you pull it so that you cut it as evenly as possible. Make sure you've got them all. Don't. One of them came off, never mind. There we go. So that's the first bit. And now you take another piece of the wool, just to shape that top bit of your tassel. Bring it underneath. And tie a knot. And there you have your tassel. Really quick and easy. So once you've got that knot, you can just take those ends, pull it down and cut. And then if you wish, you can trim it just to kind of even it out a bit. Totally up to you. And I think this looks really great out of wool, out of embroidery threads, you know, any sort of woolly, stringy material you've got. And that's it. This is a Crafts Basic, just giving you some toolkit for other crafts to come in the future. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and above all, keep watching and keep making. See you again soon. Take care. Bye.